Hello, dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. I, Shivani Gonyal, will be taking grade 4 math, and I welcome you all to attend the math session. So, here we'll be following Exceed curriculum based on 5 A's, that is, aim, action, analysis, application, and assessment. So yes, today we are beginning with block 2, that is comparing 5-digit numbers, and S1 is comparing numbers. So yes, let's begin. So the height of K2 is 26,247 feet and the height of Mount Everest is 29,029 feet. So what can you say about the height of the mountains? Which one is greater? Which one is smaller? How can you tell? Yes, so before comparing, we just see the place value of the greater number. So like here it is, this is ones column and this is thousands column. Here also ones column and this is thousands column. So here it is 26,000 and here it is 29,000. So it's clear that the height of Mount Everest is greater. So by taking the session forward, so today's aim of our class is to compare 5-digit numbers using symbols. So let's see which symbols we are talking about. So yes, for the greater than, we use this symbol. For less than, we use this symbol. And for equal to, we use this symbol. So but students got confused that where to put less than symbol, where to put greater than symbol. Yes, so just remember one thing. So see, this is a crocodile mouth. Yes, this symbol looks like crocodile mouth. So the number that is greater, the crocodile eats that number. So the mouth will be open towards that number. Yes, so the number that is bigger, the crocodile will gonna eat that thing and the mouth will be open towards that number. So if it is greater than, so the mouth is here, so the greater number would be here. And for less than, the mouth is open to this side, so the greater number will be this side only. And for equal to, both the sides are equal, so we just put equal to sign. So now let's check it out. For example, here is 8 and 3. So out of 8 and 3, obviously 8 is greater. So see, here the mouth is open towards this thing, towards 8. For equal to, both 5 and 5 are equal. That's why we have put equal to sign. And in third one, there are two digits, 2 and 7. So obviously 7 is greater, so the mouth is open towards 7. So whatever number is bigger, the crocodile mouth will be open towards that number. So now my question is, here I have two numbers, 34,543 and 34,563. So students, please tell which number is greater out of these two. And how can you compare these two numbers? Just think by looking at each digits. Yes, so here 34,563 is greater than 34,543. So you can actually look at the abacus also. There is a picture of abacus showing representing both the numbers. So whenever we need to compare the two numbers, we just begin with the place. We just begin from the highest place. So here the highest place is here the highest place is 10,000. So at 10,000 place we have 3 on both the numbers. Then looking at the thousands place we have here 4. Then looking at the hundreds place we have here 5. So till now both the numbers are same. But while looking at tens place, here we have 4 and here we have 6. So out of 4 and 6, 6 is bigger. So this number is bigger than this one. So we always begin from the place of the highest one. So children, now tell me, how can we compare 5-digit numbers? Any 5-digit numbers, how can we compare? Just now we have discussed. Yes, so we first compare the digits of the highest places. The digits that are present in the highest places, we first compare that digits, and then we move to the digits of the lowest places. For example, in 5-digit numbers, we have first the highest place is 10,000. So we first compare the digits present at 10,000 place. Then moving on to 1,000, then 200, then tens, and then finally ones. So whatever digits is greater, we just move it to that digit, that the whole number will be greater. So in 5-digit numbers, we first compare 10,000 place and then moving to the smallest ones. So dear students, are you ready for the master question now? So here it is. Which is greater? So now students, you have to tell which one is greater. So first is 46,319 and another one is 46,390. So first you can compare this one in digits and then it will be easier for you to compare both. So here is the answer. So 46,390 is greater than 46,319. So children, as you can see also that first we have to compare the thousands place. So in thousands place in both the numbers we have 46 only. Here also and here also. Now 100 is also same. In 100 there is 3 and here also in 100 there is 3 only. So while comparing this, moving on to tens and ones, here it's 90. Yes, 90 means in tens place we have 9 here. And in this, in tens place we have 1 here. See, 46,319. So in tens place here it's 1 and in tens place here it is 9. So yes, the greater number will obviously be this one, 46,390. So students, I hope this video is clear to you. So please do the workbook part on your own. And yes, for the homework you have to read block 2 carefully, the lesson 1 from your content book, and also do practice questions of lesson 1 given on page number 11 of your content book. And yes students, if you find this video helpful, please like and share. And for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. And by the time, thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.